National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Rockdale County in north-central Georgia, Barrow County in north-central Georgia, DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, eastern Cobb County in north-central Georgia, Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia, Walton County in north-central Georgia, central Fulton County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Newton County in north-central Georgia, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Tucker, or near Decatur, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Marietta, Lawrenceville, Decatur, Conyers, Winder, Monroe, Covington, Peachtree Corners, Sandy Springs, Roswell, Smyrna, Dunwoody, Duluth, Snellville, Lilburn, Loganville, Chandley, Norcross, and Doraville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.